We all know the feeling when we finally install or reinstall a new operating system. Let's say Windows 10 to our new computers. You've got your brand new key to upgrade to Windows 10 after so many years of using that dreaded Windows 95. What we don't want to talk about, however, is the time it takes to complete a fresh install. It usually takes 32 and 64-bit Windows 15 and 20 minutes respectively, which we've taken for granted in the past few years, thanks to NAND and SATA technologies. Something that was brought up in a conversation between me, Sephiroth, and a couple other friends really made us think, how long would it take to install Windows 10 from a floppy drive? We're going to be referencing to the 3.5-inch form factor from now on for more modern speed and to make sure you wouldn't die before the installation even initializes. To start off, we need to find the exact size of Windows 10, not including updates. And according to answer.microsoft.com, the latest version of Windows 10 Home is 3.16 gigabytes, which is again not including updates. Alright, so installing Windows from a couple of floppies shouldn't be that hard, right? Wrong. A 3.5-inch floppy has a maximum capacity of 1.44 megabytes, which means that it would take a total of 2,194.3 repeating floppies to install Windows. And that's not even including the need to split files for EXEs. Surprisingly, numbers on both the read and writes of floppy disks are extremely hard to find from a reliable source. Even though I couldn't find them, I'm sure those of you with much more time could find it. And if you do, be sure to tell me and everyone else down in the comments below. From what we could tell, the average read and write speeds were around 100 to 125 kilobytes per second, which means that if you wanted to install Windows 10, it would take a total of 7.63 hours. That is insane compared to the 15 to 20 minutes from a USB drive. And that's not even considering corruption, power loss, or even installing the disks in the incorrect order. This was our second episode of Informational. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to smash that like button as it showed you have enjoyed our content. But if not, please tell us what you thought. We can take a little bit of honest truth here or there. Anywho, see you later.